Okay guys, welcome back. This is actually a quick one. I didn't intend to do live trading, but I've seen something very easy and very interesting to show you guys. That's why I decided to record this very short one. So let me explain to you so that if you are also watching, you can also do the same. Okay, so this is actually Euro USD, and as you can see, we are on the M1 time frame. Mostly I scalp on M1 time frame, but for you guys, I don't prefer you do that. Okay, I prefer you scalp, rather trade on M15, or maybe you trade on the H1. Okay, that's what I prefer. But mostly for me, I know what I'm doing, so for me to do easy recording, I mostly trade on M1. Why don't I advise you guys to trade on M1? Because the candles move quicker, and maybe you are a beginner, you're not taking time to analyze your market, so I don't want you to be rushing and be taking trades. That's why. So I saw this interesting, very easy setup for me to show you guys, so that anytime you open your chart and you see the same thing, you'll be able to make and be able to copy the same thing. Okay, so let me explain to you. First, let me claim whatever is on my chart and leave my trace. So you could see that I've entered my trace here. I've entered some 2 trades here. Now this is what you have to see. You could see, obviously, this is just like as simple as the trend line bounce. Obviously you could see the market is trending downwards. This is as simple as that. There is a trend line bounce, so you could see the market is trending downwards like this. So what do you see? You see just a move downwards from here. You see a retracement. You see another pull down. This is a whole pull down. You see another retracement. So a strategy as simple as a trend line bounce. You see another pull down, you see another retracement, and you see another pull down. That's it. And now there is another retracement coming. Now the market hit the trend line trying to go down here, and it's trying to reverse again. So somebody might think that it has broken the trend line, but in reality it has not broken the trend line. Oh, what did I do? Okay, good. In reality it has not broken the trend line. So watch something. You could see that there is a structure here. Let's use structures. So you could see that from this zone there was a structure here, right? So the market respected the structure. See, there was a structure here. Can you see? And there is a structure here. So if you use structures, you will see that the market has not actually broken the trend line at all. The market is just trying to respect the structures. But if you put the trend line, only the trend line here, you might think that the market has broken the trend line, but in reality it's not like that. You can even twist the trend line from far to see that from this zone, though the market has broken the trend line, but within the structures, the market is still within the structures. The market has not broken the structure. Until the market breaks this structure, then we are still in the downtrend. If the market is not able to break this structure, this rate is going to reverse downwards, guys. So this is what I want to show you. If you see that the market has broken the trend line, does not mean that. Am I recording? Yes, I'm recording. Sorry guys, I thought I didn't press record. Okay, so if until the market breaks this structure, we are still in a downtrend. That's what you must know. People think that when the market breaks the trend line, it means the market is actually about to reverse. No, the trend line is just a guideline to show you what the market is trying to do. Okay, so you can't just say that the market has not broken the trend, has broken the trend line, so it's out of trend. No, you have to use structures in combination with trend lines. Before the market moves, let me just set my stop loss, guys. So I'll put my stop loss here around $100 and take profit. I get $200. This is just a quick scalp, so 200, and another one is 200. Yes, another stop loss back there. Okay, so until the market breaks the structure, you can't say that market has broken the trend line. Trend line is just the overall guideline to show you that the market is trending downwards, but it is not what you have to be watching every time. you have to be watching structures and use the trend line to guide you the market is actually trending downwards. This is simple as that. Do you get it? Good. That's why I want to just explain to show you. So always when you're trading, watch structures. Okay, these are structures. Every time you see the market behaves and respects structures. Market always behaves and respects structures. So until structures are broken, you can't say that the market is reversing the trend. Okay, so that's it. This is a very quick trend. So if I open my toolbox, you could see that I have 2 trees. So these are my 2 trees. You can see here going on. I have 3 entries and I'm almost getting my trades done. So I just have to set my copy my positions and just adjust my stop loss. So modify, and I'll copy my stop loss. I'll copy my stop loss and give it to this guy who doesn't have. So modify and put my stop loss there, so they have the same stop loss. Maybe I can adjust it a bit so they will be different, and I'll modify it. So that's it. You could see that I have another stop loss added. Now I can modify the take profit target. So modify or delete, copy my take profit targets, 68 points, copy, and I can go to this one, this entry, and modify. And guys, it's almost hitting take profit target. Have you seen? And I'll hit it here. And for it to be different, maybe I can make it 5 points or whatever, and that's it. So I have 3 entries, you see, almost hitting take profit targets. It's a very simple strategy. So please, when you're trading, it's very simple to trade. Just open your eyes and follow the analysis, okay? So this is just, I want to show you just a very quick video just to show you. I didn't intend to do live trading, but this is a quick one. So I hope you've understood what I was trying to put across, right? Yes, so it's almost hitting take profit target. And I hope it's still recording. Let me see. Yes, I'm still in recording. So let me just adjust the stop loss a little since the market has moved downwards. So now I have my 3 stop loss adjusted. So you could see. And take profit target adjust. Okay, so I have my 3 take profit targets adjusted. So if this trade goes in our favor right now, it's 200. So if it goes in our favor, where is my test? If there is a losing trade, then no, I don't want this one. If it's a losing trade, we are going to lose around $300. But if it's a winning trade, we are going to get 200. So where is it? Let me move it here so you can see what's happening in the chart. So if it's a winning trade, we are going to get 200. 200 plus 200 plus 200, making 600. So if we get a winning trade, this trade is going to give us $600 as quick as that. So let me adjust. No. Good. So 600. But if it's a losing trade, so risk reward of 1 is 2, then it's going to be let me make it red. So it's going to be minus 300 of my scalping account. So 300 will be taken out of my scalping account. But if it's become a winning trade, then it's going to be what? Plus 600, because it's 2 of them. So each of them is around $200. Can you see? This is how you have to take risk reward of 1 is 2. So risk reward of 1 is 2. That's all. Risk reward. Let me type it so that you can hear me well. Risk reward of 1 is to 2. Every time you take a trade, it shouldn't be less. Okay. don't make it less. Maybe make it a little more, but don't make it less. So that's it, as simple as you can see. But for you as a beginner, it might not be simple for you because you are just beginning. You see me doing it with ease because of years of failure and experience. Guys, let me I think risk reward, I have to remove this one. With years of experience, I can do it with ease, but you might not be able to do it with ease. So please don't see it as simple as that. Okay, but it's actually simple to trade. It's simple if you know what you're doing. So please, the more you trade, the more you gain experience. You can say the market is moving, but I'm not shaking, right? Because I know definitely it can either be a win or a loss. So you detach your emotions from your trading. You have to always detach your emotion from your trading. Whether the market is winning or it's losing, you shouldn't worry about it, because some of your trade difference is going to be losses and some can be wins. So somebody will say, wow, look at how the market has gone up to. It has moved all the way here and it's going back, you are losing. Why don't you take your profit? Guys, you can't do that. Wait for winning trades to win. The same way you are patient for losing trades to lose, always be patient for winning trades to win. Okay, do that. If you do the other way around, you always wait for losing trade to lose, but you are not able to wait for winning trade to win, then you can't become profitable. So don't do that. Always, no matter how happy in the market, wait for the market to always come and hit your take profit target. Okay, so that's it. So I'll just pause the recording, maybe later come and check how far it has gone to, or maybe I'll just leave the recording on and go and do my own thing. Okay, I think we are almost hitting again, so let me just wait. Let me waste more time. I'm actually editing the sound for one of my YouTube videos. So whilst I'm trading, I've already placed my trade, so I'm actually editing the sound. This is what I use for my audio. I have issue with my mic recently, so I have to just edit it. So I'm now just trying to import it and edit it for the YouTube. Maybe I'll post it. Maybe the one I'm going to post it. So that's why I'm doing it. So I'm not transferring the files from my phone. As you can see, I'm trying to transfer the files and edit them. So let me just go and do it. So it's hitting take profit target, guys. So let me just close it and focus on that. Okay, so that I can put the video there for you guys to watch today. Okay, so that'll be all, guys, and see you next time. See? Have you seen? Okay, so bye. Okay, guys, so as you can see, take profit hits, and that's it, as simple as that. So we all know that we took the trade from here and all the way here. We've taken our profit. You can see these are the markings, and this has been added to our account, the scalping account. There is just 1:2 risk reward, and as I said, it looks simple, but it's not that simple because I'm trading with ease, because I've been doing it over and over again. Okay, so please don't think it's too simple. At least you as a beginner, you are still going to find a way even to spot it easily, to analyze it easily. You just have to keep practicing until you become good with it. Okay, so I think that will be all for this video, and see you next time. Bye.